square root of 2 parenthesis x plus 3 is equal to square root of 5 parenthesis x plus 20. We have to find the value of x. Now let's use the distributive property and multiply square root of 2 with x plus 3. So it will be square root of 2x plus 3 times square root of 2 is equal to square root of 5x plus 20 times square root of 5. Now if we send variables to one side, then we have to send square root of 5x to left hand side. So it will be square root of 2x minus square root of 5x is equal to, now send 3 times square root of 2 right hand side. So it will be negative 3 times square root of 2. So 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2. Now this side we can take x common and write x times square root of 2 minus square root of 5 is equal to 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2. Now we can send this factor to the right hand side. So this is multiplied to x, so it will be divided, because when we change side, the relationship changes. So x is equal to 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2 upon square root of 2 minus square root of 5. Now there are radicals in the denominator, so we have to rationalize it. So let's rationalize it. To rationalize the denominator, what we do? We multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of x plus y will be x minus y. So conjugate of square root of 2 minus square root of 5 will be square root of 2 plus square root of 5 upon square root of 2 plus square root of 5. We multiply and divide so that the number or the quotient doesn't changes. We can easily cancel these two and there will be no change. Now square root of 2 plus square root of 5 multiplied to 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2 upon the denominator is now in the form of differences of square a minus b times a plus b and a minus b times a plus b. This we can write it as a square minus b square. So it will be square root of 2 square minus square root of 5 square. Now square root of 2 is multiplied to 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 5 is multiplied to 20 times square root of 5 minus 3 times square root of 2 upon, we can remove here square root with the square, so it will be 2 minus 5. Now square root of 2 multiplied to square root of 5 will be square root of 10, so it will be 20 times square root of 10 minus square root of 2 times square root of 2 will be square root of 4 and square root of 4 is 2, so it will be 3 times 2, because when a square root is squared, then we can remove the square root with the square. So square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2, then plus again square root of 5 times square root of 5 will be 5, so 20 times 5 minus 3 times square root of 10 upon 2 minus 5 is negative 3, or 20 times square root of 10 minus 3 times 2 is minus 6 plus 100 minus 3 times square root of 10 upon minus 3, or we can take square root of 10 common and write square root of 10 times 20 minus 3 plus 94 upon minus 3, or 17 times square root of 10 plus 94 upon minus 3. Let's multiply and divide it by minus 1 so that negative goes to the numerator, minus minus plus. So this will be minus 17 times square root of 10 minus 94 upon 3. So x is equal to this. How did you solve this question? Let me know in the comment section. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.